I completed my BCA and I worked 2 years in the BPO company. I was not satisfied with that, so I want to move to IT company. And I was searching some institute. None of the institute I got, I'm never satisfied with. When I come SDLC, when I found SDLC, and management also supported me, and Santosh sir was explained me in demo class very well, and I was happy with that, and I joined here, and classes are still going on. And unfortunately I got Dinesh sir. He is ex Google employee. He helped me a lot, and he is still helping me. And I took online class. It is very helpful for me, and Dinesh sir helped me a lot in online, and he helped me for doing project also. SDLC Institute is one of the best institute in Bangalore, and I recommend highly here. And
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.